Hello there, I'm Omid from Speak Rage with me. Today we're gonna talk over phrases that we can make on our phone calls. Yes, before going to the topic, I'm gonna ask you if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments and I would be happy and ready to answer all the questions. Sometimes we make a call and sometimes we want to answer the phones. Yes, we make a call. Mostly a speaker says do a call. No, make a call or answer the phones. We don't say answer to the phones, answer the phones. So in this case, most of the time you speak to your family, you call your friends, your colleagues, and you don't say your name. You say, hi, it's me. Hey, what's up? It's me. It's me, Omid. It is not necessary to tell them your name. Hello, this is Omid. No, they have your information. Maybe they know your voice, or they have your phone number. Oh, you have something you have shared together. Yes. Hello, what's up? It's me. It means this is Omid. Or sometimes just you want to call and you want to catch up with their news. Yes, catch up with their news. You want to ask about their health, about their situation, if they are happy, if there is any problem with them or not. Hey, I'm just calling to catch up. Hello, it's me. I'm just calling to catch up. Yes. Or sometimes your friend is busy and cannot come to answer you or cannot speak to you. In this case, you say, I'm just calling. I'll be quick. I'll be quick means I would tell you the news, or I would tell you my idea. Maybe it's urgent, and I'll be quick, please. Yes. Most of the time, you call the business centers. In this case, you need to introduce yourself. Hello, this is Omid. Or sometimes you call from a big company or from another company. You are a member or you are an employee in another company and you call the other one. In this case, you say, hello, this is Omid from big company, for example. Most of the time you have the terrible connection and you say, you want to clarify if he or she can hear you very well. Can you hear me okay? Very friendly. Or sometimes you apologize. Your connection is terrible. I'm sorry, I have a poor connection. Sorry, I have a poor service. I have a bad service. My connection is not okay. I apologize. Yes, let's go back to our friendly conversations on the phone. You call him or her and you cannot hear very well what they say. And you say, can you repeat that, please? Or, could you repeat that, please? There's not a big kind of difference between could and can. Could be somehow formal or something professional, but can just very friendly, so friendly. Can you repeat that? I couldn't catch the last sentence you said. I couldn't catch the word. What did you say? I couldn't catch that. Could you please repeat that? Or sometimes the person is in a situation that you hear a lot of noise. Maybe he is or she is on the street or at a train station, something that is so crowded and there is a lot of noise in the background. You say, I hear a lot of noise in the background. Could you repeat what you said, please? Or sometimes the connection is poor and terrible. You cannot hear very well. You say, sorry, you are breaking up. The voice is breaking up. Remember, most of the time speakers say you are breaking. No, it's not true. You are breaking. No, you are breaking up. It means that the voice cuts, goes and comes again. It's not stable. You cannot hear very well. Or sometimes the speaker speaks so fast and you cannot understand what he says. Yes, he speaks so fast and you cannot understand what he says. In this case, you say, could you please slow down? I didn't catch what you said. Sometimes you apologize. Your connection is terrible. I'm sorry, I have a poor connection. Sorry, I have a poor service. I have a bad service. My connection is not okay. I apologize. Sometimes you are in a crowded place and you say, sorry, I'm on the street. I'm on a train. Can I call you back later? Yes, in this case, you want to end the conversation with your friends. And you say, can I call you back later? Can I get back to you later? Or just you don't want to make a question in this way. Just you say, speak later, speak to you later, call you back later, catch you later. Most of the time, you try to call another person, but you don't succeed to catch them. For example, yesterday I tried to get hold of him, but I couldn't succeed. Get hold of somebody. Get hold of her, get hold of him. Mostly speakers make this error. That is not good. Get hold somebody. No, get hold of. I tried to get hold of him. Sometimes you call him or her, they are busy or they are off. Yeah, I tried to catch him or I tried to get hold of him. He was off or he was switched off. Yes, we say switched off. We don't say he was switched off. Or in the present time, I'm trying to get hold of him right now at the moment, but he is switched off. Yes, we don't say he is switched off. Two possible answers are great. He is switched off or he is off. Sometimes you want to try his phone number or her phone number. Yeah, I try his phone number. Let me try his phone number. You don't say, let me try his phone number. Oh, his line is busy. His line is busy. He's off. His phone is off or he is switched off. Of course, we come to call as business centers. You want to talk to another person. It could be a manager. And you say, I want to talk to, I'd like to talk to. We don't say, I'd like talk to. No, after with like, we say to, I'd like to talk to. Or we could, most of the time speakers say, I'd like to talk with. People understand what you say. But if you want to seem professional, you could say, I want to talk to. I'd like to talk to. Or sometimes you ask the person on the phone to direct you to another person. Could you direct me to blah, blah, blah? Could you direct me to the manager, please? Yes, we don't say, could you direct me with? No. Or could you direction me to? Direction is the noun form. We use the verb. Could you direct me to the manager? Most of the time, we need to understand what the person says. And they ask some questions. Yes, I'd like to talk to the manager. And the person says, who's speaking? Oh, this is Omid from big company. Yeah, they may ask, who is speaking? Maybe you succeed and they connect you to the manager. And they say, okay, hold on, please. Let me put you through the line. Put somebody through. It means that let me connect you to the person, to the manager. Most of the time, the person is busy or he is in the meeting. She is in the meeting. He is in the meeting. And she says, I'm afraid. He's in the meeting. I'm sorry. She is with another person. She is with somebody else. Or sometimes the person is not in the office. I don't know. He is out. I'm afraid he is not in. He stepped out. He is not in. He stepped out. It could be a possible situation that the person is not at the office at the moment that you are calling. Sometimes you call the person or you call the company, you would like to talk to the person and he is busy, he is in a meeting, he is out. I don't know, he's not in the office. But if it is possible to talk to him, maybe he is in the meeting, you would like to talk to him because it is really urgent and you want to talk to the person. You say, could you please interrupt him? It's urgent. Yes, it is necessary to talk to the person. Sometimes we talk about the bills. I have a charge on the bill. When you talk about the paper or receipt you get from the company, I have a charge on the bill or on my bill. We don't say I have charge. I have a charge on the bill. We don't say in the bill. So if you find the videos interesting in this channel, you can stay here to learn great phrases and practical collocation in English speaking. Please feel free to ask questions in the comments below, and I would be ready and willing to help you reach your goals. Have a nice time. Stay positive.